Hello again, everybody. Here we have another very special vehicle. This is a 1998 Mazda Demio GL. This is a hatchback sedan. This vehicle features a 1.5-liter four-cylinder engine with a 5-speed manual transmission. So we have seating and seat belts for 5. We have a nice large capacity cargo area in the rear. We're going to go ahead and open up the hatchback and show you that in just a moment. The vehicle features a rear wiper as well, as you can see. It has folding rear seats. There is a spare tire underneath the floor in the rear there. If we step around to the passenger side, because this is a right-hand drive vehicle, the left will be the passenger side. It looks incredible all the way around. This car has very, very few flaws on it. Plenty of room for 4 adults in here, and plenty of power too. The 1.5 liter is surprisingly peppy, actually. As you can see here, the floor mats are in great shape. Dash is very nice. This has 17,589 kilometers, I believe, which is just a hair over 11,000 actual miles. This was an elderly owned, I believe, one owner vehicle. As we hop inside here, you can see the interior, the seats, everything is in, just great shape overall for the age. There you go, 17,894 kilometers. We're going to start it up right now. This vehicle also features power folding mirrors, which I will demonstrate for you right now. It has remote keyless entry, power windows, horn works, air conditioning, a CD player. Again, plenty of room in here for 4 adults, no problem. I'm over 6 feet tall and I can fit and drive in this car comfortably. It has glass headlights, not the cheap plastic stuff that comes on new cars, so they're not going to yellow and fade on you. Engine purrs like a kitten. Oil was just changed. I'm going to change the fuel filter, give it a tune-up. This is all original, folks, down to the spark plug wires that say 1998 on them. Those will be new, though, when the vehicle is sold. It will be having a tune-up, like I said, a new fuel filter installed, as well as new front brakes. Not because it needs them, but because I like doing that for all of my vehicles. Body is nice and straight. The original exhaust still has shine to it. Tires have good tread. I may or may not install brand new ones before the sale of the vehicle. We can go ahead and test drive this in a moment here so you can get a feel for what it's like. Just keep in mind the roads are salty here, and there are cinders, which are tiny stones on the road, so you're going to hear them kicking up as we test drive, but not an issue. Have a pressure washer and a hose, we can clean it back off.